Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That means I'm Kendra and that makes you a bunny, or that makes me a bunny and you're a bunny too. Welcome back. My name is Kendra of Kendra and the Bunnies Music, and today we have a little bit of an unboxing. This is a new water bottle that I just got.
Here we go again. Try my luck at this hand.
I'm actually with family in Arizona where it is hot and it is dry. We are in the desert. So I'm definitely going to be bringing this on our walk today. About to walk around Phoenix and really enjoy some of this sunshine. So it is so perfect that today I have this water bottle by Buzio, B-U-Z-I-O, and this has got some interesting texture to it. I got their red and green, or pink and teal. It kind of looks like pink and teal, but I think on their website it's listed as red and green. It is completely insulated, and it comes with two different tops as well, which is awesome because you throw one into the dishwasher and then you always got a second one. This is BPA free, so it's also health conscious as well. And you can put hot or cold drinks in here. It's insulated, that will keep your drink cold for a long time, or keep your drink hot also. And here it comes with a straw actually, which is really, really cool. And it has a straw cleaner. All right, so this is 40 ounces. You can carry it by the handle, and it also comes with these reusable straws. Linked below.